My point is that if we vote our numbers, we can convert the gerrymander to a dummy mander, and that's if it survives scrutiny, because now the Attorney General said, I'm going to the feds. Now, we know the MAGA 6, we know the Rocket Docket. They are likely to say, we're going to uphold the Virginia Supreme Court, or we won't intervene because that's not justiciable. Then I'm turning around and saying, you let them do it in Texas. If you let Florida, which also has a nonpartisan, who has in their Florida Constitution that they can't do that, if you let them turn around and do what they did in Virginia and you don't intervene, or you don't decide that you're not going to intervene, let me pause. If the Supreme Court of the United States, if the federal government says that Virginia, what they did, Virginia Supreme Court, is non-justiciable, they can't get involved, and then Florida turns around and do what Virginia did, when in the Florida Constitution, like in the Virginia Constitution, they're saying, well, in Virginia, they got a nonpartisan redistricting committee. In Florida, they said you can't engage in that kind of thing, and DeSantis has already admitted that he knows it's unconstitutional, and the Supreme Court turns around and says in that instance, oh yeah, that can pass, that can go. Y'all have destroyed the notion of the rule of law in this country. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. And in destroying the rule of law, you're going to find out that we never believed in the rule of law if it meant us continuing to take the L. That we are fully prepared to move from the local level, from the relationship level, to build out in solidarity with those of common purpose. And out of that energy, we will break your political backs once and for all.